For those of you who don't know me, I am Lady Bonin, or just Jess. Lady Bonin's tea was birthed on a dream of doing good in the world, and its first manifestation was in a beautiful Bohemian caravan that enchanted people as they exchanged stories over cups of tea. During the years, this dream somehow found its way into the many hearts of people around the world through the hand-blended teas that encompassed the curiosities of the world. And somewhere along my entrepreneurial adventure, tea became my great love affair. I followed it to the ends of the earth, into every alleyway and cobbled pathway, trying to understand its musings. I've sat for what feels like eons with tea masters, monks, and tea friends, and I brought those journeys back to share through the teas that I pervade. I wanted to show that doing a new way of community-focused, resource-accountable, and value-based business was possible, and it was definitely achieved in more ways than I could have ever imagined. And in achieving everything I wanted to do, I have been so magnificently supported and held. And while it's been the hardest path I have ever walked on, it's simultaneously been the most rewarding. And so many people have believed in my dream, and for that I am forever grateful. So it's not likely that I take this decision, but due to a series of unfortunate events with 9 years of magic behind us, I am closing the company down. And I would like to invite my community to help us stay ethical one last time. The business has accumulated some debt in the process of trying to keep it alive, and I would like nothing more than to be able to honor that debt, thus doing good to the very end. And I've therefore created this campaign to sell off our remaining stock and offer some tea courses as an exchange to facilitate us closing with grace. If you can support in any way, please click the link below. It would be truly, truly appreciated. And Lady Bonin's tea is now officially a vintage collector's item. What we have for sale is the very last sips of a really beautiful journey, and I hope to be able to share that with you one last time.